mission for the day. Ikea trip. Most likely in the caption. Listening to music that ain't there. I have a stomach ache today, guys. So I'm a bit sad. Not sad, but
my phone cracked right back to the camera.
Achy. Yeah, what?
My phone cracked right next to the camera.
Yeah, but anyway, it's gonna take us a little while to get there. But we are going to Ikea. Let's see what they have in store. Ikea. Shipping this way. Ikea shipping. It's quite expensive. I think it's like 35 pounds online. And then it's 35 pounds online. And if you go in the shop, you can get it for 25 pounds. But if whatever it is that you're trying to get is too heavy, or if somebody in store, one of the workers have to pick it up for you, it's an extra 10 pound charge. So they better be ready to lift some, because I find that kind of pointless, because I figure you in the shop to help me, but you charging me for you to help me. What? Anyways, whatever. So we about to do this. I'm looking for a wardrobe, something cheap and inexpensive. It's my eye big, and I will just go for the expensive stuff. But I just looking for something temporary, so something cheap. I don't mind. All right, that is. Yeah, so we here now. Ikea. So Ikea is huge. Just try not to spend all day in here. You hungry? I don't know. My stomach doing a thing. What?
We had burgers like all of week before last.
Not we, him.
Today is Monday. So
Just him.
Monday before last, all of us had burgers, and it was like, okay, next week we ain't gonna have that many burgers, and we had no burgers, and now it's next week. We survived the whole week without. We survived the whole week without burgers.
I can do that. No,
so we can. Oh Lord, my hair look like.
So for the record, I didn't have all them burgers.
You put all your jacket in.
He had all them burgers.
Like Homer Simpson, boy.
This boy was eating burgers like
burgers
daily, like vitamin.
Homer Simpson
But whatever.
You walk straight down there.
Anyways, look at Ikea. I care. But if they cared, would they be charging us 35 pounds for delivery though?
Hey, I gotta come in behind you. Jesus, so slow.
Look, now they're stopping up the door. Nope. Front room over here. Welcome the Rasta youths. Oh, there's a whole house. I mean, well, kitchen. That's neat. It's like, okay. Talking about, I need me a set. Blah. What are you doing? Wanna move, man?
One lighting from here and one light from here. Kind of two different opposite angles.
Yeah, this is what I need.
3.8 lighting when you get one from.
Who you talking to me?
Yeah, I was, but you know, don't worry about it.
What?
This is say what you call 2-point lighting.
2-point lighting.
You get two lights from different angles, possibly, you know, opposite, and then you get a third one, which is 3-point lighting, shine straight out in the back, and it's good for like poster pictures and all of that stuff.
Hey, look at this mirror.
This
Hey,
lights.
hey, 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 hey. Stoops. What?
Look at this.
Awesome.
Close it. Close it.
It looks like a fridge.
Close it slowly. Close it.
Maybe it is a fridge. Excuse me.
This is nice.
Oh, I like this. But this isn't what we came here for. Here comes the danger. I got listen to music in my ears. This is pretty. This is really pretty. I like the colors. Ooh, feeling the green. Feeling the green. Ooh.
That is.
I love this sofa. I'll definitely maybe something a bit fluffier, but I definitely get one of these. I like the L-shaped sofas. You know where would be my spot?
That green one there?
What? It's a nice little setup over here too. She neat.
40 or less, I mean, you say 40 or less.
For this, I say 40 or less, 40 or more. But for this setting, yes, the TV would have to be.
What you doing?
So it would have to be at least 50. If it was me.
Bruh.
Man, move this thing up.
What are these guys doing over here?
This is nice.
What? Ain't about to say that in a minute. Let's go, Brian. Sun.
They
Wow.
have the KFC thing. Then I realized that was somebody
It's
else.
pink and purple and
me test
fuchsia and all these different colors. That's the same sofa, right? They feel the same, right? Someone left their KFC here. Look at this. How rude. How rude. This one is an entire house. Everything's set up. Kitchen, living room. Well, living room. This is the kitchen here. If I don't wash the dishes, how many times I have to tell you?
I just saw it.
Ah, it's me again. Ah, it's me again. It's you again. It's me again. Love mirrors. I love this. I love this mirror. So I want that mirror. It's a bathroom here.
Oh, this the front door.
Why am I doing a tour of Ikea's rooms? I really have no
It's
idea.
messed up right now, you know.
But it's pretty. Ooh, don't touch that.
Wake up. Gotta get out for school. What?
This is awesome.
You know what I'm at? Let me show you how he's doing the islands. No, I gotta do it. He gotta learn. He gotta whoosh. I tell you, get up.
The problem is how they can, you know.
There's another room.
That was my foreign wife trying to not let me throw water on my child to wake him up. But that's
Somebody tried to raise this 17.
Is this a wardrobe?
How can you not? If I had my clothes on, I probably would have did.
Oh, this is a wardrobe.
Matter of fact.
This is a slide something.
So this is a wardrobe.
Break it. Close that.
Oh my goodness. This is what I really want.
Oh, come close. Oh, well, okay.
Cause that mirror right there.
Nah, that's pretty cool.
This is where we keep our nothing.
The hour.
And,
Nah, that's decent. That's decent.
This
The other side could open too?
This has been daily. Wake up, hitting up everything.
No, this bit. It can't be just wasted space.
Yeah, it's definitely.
Oh, that's the man's side.
Probably his and hers.
why you say it's the man's side? Cause ain't nothing there.
Well,
No, I'm kind of not interested.
What are you talking about? Wardrobe. We end up looking at everything.
peekaboo. outside